wish you could see yourself the way I do. You are perfect. Just like this.
Nothing tastes like comfort than this delicious arepas con queso. We've made it just like Julieta's, so this dish is sure to give us the healing we all need. Learn how to make it with our easy-to-follow guide. Start by pouring the water and adding the kosher salt into a mixing bowl. Slowly adding the masarepa next. Then mix until all of the masarepa is incorporated. Let the mixture sit for 3 minutes or until the dough is hydrated. Once the dough has rested, add the unsalted butter and mozzarella cheese. Knead for 4 to 5 minutes or until completely smooth and incorporated. Then divide the dough into 8 balls using wet hands. Flatten the dough until a round shape is formed. Then place the mozzarella cheese to the middle of the dough. Close each side and form the dough into a patty. The next thing to do is preheat a large skillet over medium-low heat and brush with melted unsalted butter. Add the arepas and cook on each side for 5 to 7 minutes until browned on both sides and cook through. Serve and enjoy.
You just healed my hand with the arepa con queso.
I healed your hand with love for my daughter.
Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.